Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set up custom ringtone in Samsung A16. If you are using Samsung A16 and now you want to set up custom ringtone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open Play Store and here just install the third party app. Just go for search and search for Zedge. Just search for it. Then install this app. Just have an install and it will be installed in your phone. You just have to wait for its installation. Just wait for it. After installation, you just have to tab on open to open the app. And here just select accept and continue. And here's the notification. If you want to allow, just have an allow notification. I'm going to select not now. And here just select the cross icon in the top right corner. From here, you just have to select ringtones and then just scroll down and look for the ringtone which you want. And I'm going to select, for example, this one. So just tap on it, then tap on download icon here, and then select set to ringtone, then allow permission. Now go back. There you can see standard ringtone has been updated. So that's how you can easily set up custom ringtone in your Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.